everybody, welcome back to my channel, Radiant Rupa. Today we are going to make a chocolate cake. First, take a microwave safe bowl, and those are the ingredients. Add all-purpose flour, brown sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, and baking powder to your microwave safe bowl. Then mix until well combined. It is now mixed well. Add 1 medium-sized egg and then mix again. Then add 3 tablespoons of whole milk and mix well without any lumps in your batter. Then add 3 tablespoons of butter. And unsalted butter and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it until well combined. Add any nuts of your choice. I have added walnuts and raisins. Then mix it. You're supposed to keep the cake batter in the microwave for 3 minutes. Once it is done, poke a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, it is done. You can add vanilla ice cream or chocolate chips on the top for decoration. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.